Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for fine reduction in Abu Dhabi step by step. Gather your Emirates ID, vehicle registration, and fine ticket details before you begin. First, confirm the exact violation code and total amount online or via an app. Next, check eligibility for reduction or installment plans. Finally, prepare any supporting documents and follow the online or customer service steps to submit your request. Start by checking eligibility on the official Abu Dhabi traffic portal or app and enter the ticket number to view details. Confirm whether your fine qualifies for reduction, pardon, or installment plans based on the violation type. If there are mercy or first-time programs, note required documents. Save screenshots and reference numbers for your records before proceeding to the submission step to avoid delays or rejections. Next, use the online traffic service or visit a customer center to submit your fine reduction request, attaching Emirates ID and registration scans. Provide a clear explanation and any supporting evidence, like medical notes or proof of hardship. Choose installment options if available and confirm the new payment schedule. Save the confirmation receipt and follow up using your reference number if you do not receive a response within the stated.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.